Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Smash. Today is 22nd of April and we are seeing a good opportunity to buy the call of 31,100. Here, what the trade plan is, basically we saw a trend line which had given a breakout and it is coming to retest the trend line now. As soon as we see any up move from the 31,000 level, we will buy the call immediately. So that is the trade plan as of now. So let's wait for the movement to happen in the upwards direction. Okay, so we should buy the call now. So we have placed the order. As you can see, the live PNL is going over here, and we have put the stop loss as well as the target. And I think we should reduce the stop loss as soon as any up move occurs. So we are reducing the stop loss to 140 level. Fine, the up move has started, and let us adjust the stop loss to the swing low. Now let's wait for any movement to happen. If any rejection comes from the upper side, we'll immediately exit from the position. That would prevent any losses for us. So we have a very small stop loss now. We have a stop loss of only 4 points. That will be only 100 rupees, and I think we are in profit of 240 rupees. So if there is any rejection from the upper side, we'll exit the positions as soon as possible. So it's going upwards right now. uh, in the index we can see a rejection. Okay, here also we are seeing a rejection, so we have closed the position as of now, and we have got a profit of 122 rupees. Okay, 122.25. So rejection came from the upper side because of the resistance above there. Okay, the candle became green and has is trying to break the highs of the nearest high. So I think there will be a big up move from here now. Anyways, but we have exited the position, so we won't take this particular trade again because that would go against our um, strategy. So let's not regret. I think the movement has taken the pace and is going very high. Okay. So, anyways, we have missed this opportunity, but no problem. This happens in the stock market with the very experts out there. They also face this type of situation many a times. So, if you begin to think about these things, you won't be able to survive in this market. So, all these things are normal. So, let's go away with what we have made. We have made a very small profit of 100 rupees. Let's not make any loss from here now. So let's end this session now. So thanks for watching.